In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to book Airbnb. By the end, you'll know how to search, choose the right place, review all the important details, and complete a secure reservation from start to finish. First, open the Airbnb website or launch the Airbnb app on your phone or tablet. Sign into your account or create one if it's your first time. Having an account lets you save places you like, message hosts, and complete your booking smoothly. Next, start your search. Enter your destination, your check-in date, your checkout date, and the number of guests. These details shape availability and pricing, so make sure they're accurate. When you're set, tap Search to pull up the options. Now browse the available listings. If you want to narrow things down, use filters. Set your price range, choose whether you want an entire place or a private room, and select must-haves like Wi-Fi. You can also filter for amenities such as a pool, or look specifically for pet-friendly stays if you're traveling with an animal. When you see a place that looks right, select the property to open its full details. Take your time reviewing the listing page. Scroll through the photos to get a feel for layout and condition. Read the reviews to learn from previous guest experiences. Check the amenities list so you know exactly what's included. Carefully read the house rules to understand expectations around things like check-in times or quiet hours. Look at the cancellation policy so you know how flexible the booking is. Most importantly, confirm the total price including fees before you proceed. When you're ready to move forward, tap reserve or book. You'll be prompted to enter your payment method. You can typically pay with a credit card, a debit card, PayPal, or other available payment options depending on your location. Before you pay, review your booking details carefully one more time. Dates, number of guests, price breakdown, and any rules or policies that matter to you. If everything looks correct, tap Confirm and Pay. Now wait for confirmation. Some places offer instant book, which confirms your stay immediately. Others require host approval, in which case you'll see the request as pending until the host accepts. After your booking is confirmed, go to Trips in Airbnb to find all your reservation details. From there, you can message the host if you need check-in instructions, Wi-Fi details, or parking information. And that's it. Your Airbnb is booked and you're ready for your trip.